Imagine a group of dancers, musicians, and singers creating a magic space protected by our intention to be real, incorporating appreciation and acceptance. In this space, we invite you and your guests into a circle of encounter and transformation. Together, we create a common ground to connect more with each other. Rooted in African traditions, we offer a contemporary dance, music, and spiritual experience, welcoming all cultures, all bodies to be fully present. SnakeAwake is a participatory performance. This is exciting and requires sensitivity and professionalism, both of which we bring with us. Goosebumps guaranteed.